Mae'r cefnogwyr mae'n disgwyl iddyn ni fod yn uchelgeisiol. Yn y pen draw, y nod Bangor 176 di bod nôl yn yr uwch gynghrair.
Croeso i Nantporth, cartre newydd Bangor 176 y tymor hwn. Da ni yma heddiw ar gyfer y gêm fawr rhyngddyn nhw a Dinbych a'r ddau dîm wrth gwrs wedi ennill dyrchafiad i adran y gogledd ar ddiwedd y tymor dwytha.
Obviously we're the promoted sides. When you look early on, you see things, and the two of us were favourites to go down apparently. But obviously both of us will be wanting to make that right, wanting to make sure that doesn't happen. We've both had good starts, so at the minute, we seem to be proving a lot of people wrong. We've got lads in our team that have come all the way with us from Tier 5, and they've seen the progression throughout the tiers. But I think this is a different level, total different level, in terms of the way the teams are set up, the tactical elements of the league. They probably wouldn't have come up against things like this before.
Dwi'n siŵr bod chi ddim angen i fi atgoffa chi bod chi wedi curo Bangor 176 y llynedd ar fwy nag un achlysur.
Ia, ti'n sbyd yn ei ddwy ffordd, mae'n bach mwy o bresur yn ei giro nhw. Fel ddedodd John Owen i'w interview ar ôl i gêm ola nhw, a nhw'n sgorio gol yn erbyn un y gynghrair chwaith. So mae'n siŵr bod nhw yn mynd i fod yn lloerig isio giro newydd, so mae'n dipyn bach mwy o bresur yn ei ddwy.
Personally, it was the right move for me. It allowed me to take a little bit of a step back. I learned a lot from a manager's point of view, but certainly from an assistant point of view, all I want to do is help Jono, help the management team, the knowledge of the league, knowledge of the players, etc. Giving the lads the information that they need, giving them all the tools basically, and then Jono and I collectively agree that it's down to them then to go out and produce the goods on a match day. And
I just wonder as well, are there any messages going back and forth from your old club at Caernarfon?
One or two, and it's to be expected. There's obviously a rivalry there, a rivalry that's going to stay, and that I can completely understand.
Mae wedi fod yn un o'r more special times efo Dinbych, really. Dwi ddim meddwl bod yna'r amser mwy cyffrous i fod efo Dinbych na rwan. Mae'n ambition i mynd mwy a mwy, i mynd i'r Cymru Prem os ydyn gallu. Cyntaf, dyn ni angen fod yn lig yma a steif yma, a wedyn, hopefully, mi'n gallu push on a wneud rhywbeth special, dwi'n meddwl.
Mae'r cefnogwyr mae'n disgwyl iddyn ni fod yn uchelgeisiol. Yn y pen draw, y nod ni ydy bod nôl yn yr uwch gynghrair. Ond mae rhaid ni hefyd fod yn realistig. Da ni wedi cymryd camau enfawr i gyrraedd lledan ni, ond mae'r cam nesaf o bosib y cam mwyaf allan ni gymryd. Felly, peth pwysica ydy, beth am sefydlogi, beth am wneud y gorau fedra ni, ond hefyd mi ydan ni'n cefndir yn cynllunio ar gyfer y cam nesaf yna. Mae rhaid ni fyw mewn gobaith.
I fod yn sefyll yma ar gae Nantporth, pa mor bwysig ydy o?
Yn gyntaf, wrth gwrs, mae rhaid iddyn ni gael stadiwm sydd i fyny ar anghenion ni i ni gael chwarae yma. Ond yn ddyfnach na hynny, mae'r ffaith o gymaint o bobl sydd yma heddiw yn gyn gefnogwyr o'r hen clwb Dinas Bangor. Na ddim ni sy'n bia'r lle bod yna rhyw bechnogaeth rwan, na dyma'n cartre ni, dyma'n cartre sefydlog ni, ac gobeithio fydda ni'n ffynnu trydan ni yma.
Wel, Gano, dwi'n falch bod fi wedi dod o hyd i chi yn eich crysa coch chi'n cefnogi Dinbych. Da chi ar ei hôl i ar hyn o bryd, ond da chi'n dilyn o dipyn?
Yndyn, da ni'n mynd i gemau gartre ag i ffwrdd dros Gogledd Cymru. Mae gennau tocyn tymor. Da ni'n gwylio'r merched hefyd pan maen nhw'n chwarae. Ond mae pob penwythnos wan yn dibynnu lle mae Dinbych, dyna lle da ni'n mynd.
I believe in sort of giving some support to local football, and although it's not local for me, I've travelled from Manchester, so and I'm fascinated with the Bangor story, and to think that they could be in Tier 1 next season, I just find fascinating really, and so much so that I've actually become a season ticket holder.
3 wins for 3 now. If you would have said that to me at the end of last season, I would have told you there's no chance. But now look at it, we're sitting top of the league, we're doing really, really well, and things can only get better, but we cannot get too far ahead of ourselves. It's only 3 games, but there's a lot more still to play.
Ni ddechrau reit slod, gwir, ond o ran y perfformiad ar agwedd yma, yr ail hanner, dwi'n meddwl, allai'n cwyno bod am yr hoci yna, ond dyn ni methu concede goals fel yna, ond o ran perfformiad, o'n i'n meddwl dwi'n wych.
How proud are you of how things are going for this club at the moment?
It's amazing. Yeah, it's amazing to be part of it as well. Because it was sad to see what happened over the sort of years, and it's the people behind the scenes who set this up that deserve all the credit. To get back here, it's probably been a lot of hard work that people don't realise. But yeah, it's just amazing to be here.